Yes, help me. Can you help me try to find the other people? In Roblox talaga.
Let's raffle na tayo.
Ako na.
Ba't para may mga laman yung itlog na ano? Ano tayo? 2 rounds tayo. Yan. Grabe naman si Koto ko, pre. Haha. Koto. Papalaro ako. Nagkuha lang ako ng listahan ng
Your
ano,
favorite na is Aya? Gini?
subscriber tsaka ng ano to. Padsel, pre.
Wait, I have a friend that is called, that's name is Amanda in my ballet class.
Okay. Next. So, 16, 17, 18, Banayad, Akane, tsaka Redux. Pa-claim ako.
Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my
Bilis lang yan, pa.
Roblox.
Hindi mo na mamalayan. Tapos, raraffle kayo sa subscribers. VIP din yan.
I miss you so much, Anna. Oh my gosh, I saw a beautiful person. Yeah, there. Yeah, positive. Just stay stand here. Okay? Don't. Bro! Why? Can you join me? This is a fun game.
Sali na kayo, TeleLGP, pre.
Punished to the full extent of all. To set an example, others join in accusing her of thinking she's above the law. The more hate
Bali 25 LC per win to. Pwede pa ulit-ulit ah.
actions.
Nalakihan ko na. May 45 seconds sila para mag-claim. O ng ano else jewels against the monster. Tapos 5 rounds ng
I think I just have. Girl, I mean.
Moonlit. 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 Civic.
How dare you call me Ali? Nobody called me Ali.
Notify lang kayo mga pre. Balik stream na ulit ako.
But
Dami lang kasi talagang ginawa. Busy.
oh yeah. See? Yep, you do.
15 winners. Kaya abang kayo. 15 winners to, isang bagsak ah. Ayan, dito ako sa ano pre. Sa Aruna Felt Castle.
One thing. One year. Dragon Age of 14.
Arrow Guild. No, okay, full storage eh. Tapos mamaya, subscriber raffle naman kayo nila Jojo. Ito na, round 1 mga pre. Siya eh. Neutral, medium, human, search.
Wait.
Ito po.
I know there's a map. I think that
Yung sunod-sunod naman yan eh.
I think that
16, 17, 18. Basta pababa.
or whatever I want. Hit joke.
Hindi na dandilayan pre. O ito na, level. See you bukas.
A pumpkin who works at the beach.
Unang-una yan, pag sinerch nyo sa ano,
A lifeguard.
pag sinerch nyo gamit yung binigay ko na medium neutral level 82. Papag-patch pa din. Halos walang nabago. Parang kamusta ano natin, Adjit Lords? Tama ba? Wait lang. Bago baka 25. Ay hindi. Ano pala, 100 NLs Jewel pala, sorry. 100 NLs Jewel. Mamaya na pala next round pala yung 25 LC. Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na yung laman. Tama?
No, it's like this, and I love unicorn.
Right, hey.
What?
Let me see. Nako. Yung mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa. Punong mag-chat sa pub, pre.
Just right there.
Wala ng top fan dyan, mga pre. Pag wala, edi sa mga viewer raffle tayo ngayon.
What do you mean?
Hindi po ako,
Yes.
sir. Hindi. Hindi ko
OMG,
pala,
ang
pre.
lahat ka na questions. Ayo?
Yun. Streamer X tayo after ito. Dreamworks. May 45 seconds ka para ma-claim ang inyong premium.
Bro, I just saw a server that is called Chase's Murder Mystery.
I'm gonna do a hacking joke.
Ina, did you know while you were absent last December, I actually sat in your suite and then I was watching with Rina.
Pero ano, wait lang ah. Magdo-double. SSTD. Saan ba? Para makita nyo agad. Close, ano ko na lang.
I was so... Why were you a fat robber though?
Yun na. Baka maraming na...
Yeah.
Puta. Pag hinalaan.
Where?
Sorry.
Sorry, how dare you? That's personal.
Kailan face worm to, di ba? Boss Randolph, shout out sa'yo.
What? Don't move a single inch.
Sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess. Wala nang incentive mga ako para maumuha ng streamer eggs. Just I wait, I need to put it back on my personal Facebook.
Fidelity.
Ayun, si Aishi. Guys, to. Kuha ni Koto ko, guns yan.
Hello.
Nilfame Dungeon. Grabe, kubra.
I really met you for a bit. Sorry, I was...
Ni Bullet. Hallucigenia. Hallucigenia. Goods.
What is it's coming here? Look, they're trying to check some drama. Bro, look
Teka,
everyone
labas
is
ko lang yung
gathering.
marbles. Ang sakto pagka square 5 ko lumapag siya. 1-1 na nga din. Oo nga. Mga ano naman niya. Two minutes, 1 minute na lang, tapos magbibigay ako ng bagong clue. Shadow shoes sa game. Pero kung yung lumang streamer egg, ginawa nila, pwede ka nang makakuha ng shadow armors ulit. Pati yung shadow ulit, tapos next clue.
Oh yeah, Francine. Hi, Francine. Francine?
Okay na mga pre. Hindi na. Sayang sana yun, no? Kung na-late lang siya ng tele ng ilang segundo, siya na pa.
Yeah? Yeah. Hey, are you in the game? Oh. Oh, it's
Putang ina, ayaw lumaki. Ayan pre. Oh, yan, clue. Bakit kasi ang dami ng may shadow armor eh. Aga. Pagkatapos nito, LC na yung premyo. Okay. So ano else? Jewel pa to.
if you share it with your mom.
Grabe, nagbubukas ng itlog po. Pang nasunod-sunod. Ayun, Holy Armor. Scroll. Orca Clothes. Nakakuha ng Orc Lord. 1 minute before the next clue. Hoy! Hoy, Boss Atong!
I just ran over time. How do you see this place?
Yan ang clue. Oh, human pala. Sa Divine Pride, human pala. Hindi demi-human. Human lang. Human, medium, neutral.
Just like yours.
Apa naman ang pangalan mo, B?
Your hair is getting shorter and shorter every day.
Di ko nga mabuksan upgraded shadow box. Tapos parang wala nang upgrade. GN pre, tapos share mo na din yung stream. Ikaw pala yung DreamWorks. Wait. Morphe, send mo na lang sa BPI ko. Di pa ako nabibili. Palworld tayo mamaya, pre. Pagkatapos nito.
And I love unicorns. Unicorns are yellow. Unicorns are...
Depende kung gaano kabilis aabutin ng ano natin. Kung gaano kabilis aabutin nitong tele-LGP. Pag medyo maaga tayo natapos dito, 50 NLs, Jewel.
Are you wearing a ponytail
Two winners.
right now?
Just a long time.
Ng mga top fan, kunin ko lang sa ano. Wala, di ko kasi makita sa Facebook eh. So, ano, PC.
I'm positive.
Yun o,
Just
Simon.
drive it to the motel.
Welcome to the stream, Repa. Yan. Grabe naman si ano, no, si Jojo. Napakaswerte. 2 weeks. Wait lamang.
Okay, here. Stay. Okay, stop. Stop. Stay there. Stay there.
Top fan raffle to, top para sa 1 week VIP. As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. When you're playing Minecraft, did you? They said that they.
Ano yung Orca clothes?
Then,
Pa-claim mga par.
so it means to remember those times that I
Medium. Para sa 25 LC. 25 LC na to.
Can you hear me? I lost hair. Okay. No.
Yan, tayo lang tayo mga maglalaro. Last round, last round. Sa mga kay Brew, ano to? Kay Brew, kay Bullet, pre, may ano kayo sa akin, may console bilang dun eh. Boss Pandemonyo, magkano nagastos mo dun sa costume mong kit? So ngayon, bukas, tapos Saturday na siguro yung, tama.
Bro, I always thought that in my mind during afternoon that Sophia was a part of it.
Last of a dying breed. I wonder if a therapist knows. Pero kasi noon, yung setup, yung mga level 5, level 4 weapons na pang third gen, nasa ano tayo? Guess the monster. So, dami mga hatak si ano dami mga sumasali dun kay Kuya.
Why did you read my private things? I wanna see her. Okay, fine. I got
Notify lang kayo, notify.
Ano ba yan? My favorite food. Wait.
Yara yata sila. Sayang naman ang mga turbo. De, okay ka na, ano? Okay ka na, Boss Ato. Matik na yan. Basta subscriber, matik yan, pre.
Just playing. Oh, I'm getting scared. How?
Because we always want.
Oh, baby. Kita-kits bukas sa stream.
Are you gonna
And, ayun lang tayo for tonight. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.
okay?
Dream anymore. O yan, pre. Ano yan? Challenge. See God's anger. Elite Siege Whites and Blue Potion Exchange availability in Utility Quest and PC.
Friends.
Next. Tignan natin.
Eddie changed mine.
Yan.
Eddie changed.
Sa guess the monster natin, Grave Verb. Ila. Medium.
Wait, I don't have because my phone is so bad.
May 3 months
And
na.
I only have we only have one power bank.
Sayang streamer X,
There or else I'm gonna look on yours.
maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog, pre.
I'm already looking. Bata.
Ang habol sa ano? Sa streamer X. Saan ba nakikita yung scoring ng ano, pre? Adjit Lords.
Oh wait, no. This is gonna be fun. Bro, everyone
Level reveal. Level ng mob.
loving. Rabies injection!
Lalabas na to pag nakuha niyo. May kita nyo naman sa stream kung ano, kung pasok kayo sa square o hindi. Sasabihin ko din naman. Tapos, ano tayo, raffle tayo ng subs sa mga subscribe.
Yo!
Ano ba, in July, August,
I saw this word.
15 seconds before the next clue.
Okay.
Yan ang clue natin. Next round, Frontera Field 8.
No! It's so saucy.
Solid naman yung costume no. Idol. Malayo pa. Armor streamer eggs, no? Pero kasi,
Okay.
paano pa nakuha shadow armor doon? Shadow armor tsaka shadow shoes, di ba? Wait lang. Persona.
So I guess we're the opposite. Wait, who's Leah?
Bro, sun and and
How do you know the password?
Kayo.
Okay.
Last round. Oras eh. Saglit lang yung 9 months.
What does that even mean?
Talaga. Bero talaga yan. Kasi kung yung lahat ng shadow gears nasa streamer egg na nandun sa loob ng bagong streamer egg, pwede. Pagbibigay ako ng lalaki ko yung picture next. Oo. Pagpasok ng March, third job, tas April, season 2 championships.
No, it's really like.
Ang daming bagong pumapasok na guild ngayon sa lakas, no? Sa tour. Parang 3 yata yung nakita akong bago. Yung iPhone, please.
At least I left.
Lilista lang ako. Kasi Friday, alam ko. Friday kasi uwi na kami. Aking i-puklo. Either element or size.
Girl, you were rude too. You even looked at my private thing. 650. This is how you spell it. Why do magicians do so well at school? They're good because they're good in trick quests. And where people could
Darkness Helm. Vajra. Ano yun?
follow. What? Yes, can you put more pages, please? And
Tele ka muna, kayo King. Tele. Out of the city, pre.